In this video, I showed you how to create your own ebook. So I just want you to know that Amazon is not the only place where you can sell your ebook. You can also sell your ebooks on Stan Store. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can start selling your book on Stan Store. So if you are not familiar with Stan Store, I started a new Stan Store just because I want to use it to walk you through the process of starting your own business online. Stan Store is a store that was created for creators, and so you can use it to sell any kind of thing, and I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you come here, this is my Stan Store that I just started. I launched on the 14th of September and I sent an email to my email list, and from that time these are the number of people who have visited the store, and then these are the number of leads, and this is the amount of money that we have already made, $525. And so it's just within 4 days. So let me just show you how my Stan Store looks. So this is how my own Stan Store look. And so I have this free book that I'm giving here for free. So if you don't yet know how to start your own business, this is completely free. It's a planner that is going to walk you through step by step, asking you so many questions that you can answer, and it's going to help you to start your own business. So you can go ahead and download it for free. And I have all these digital products on my Stan Store. Why am I selling these products in my store? Because so many people that I've been talking with have been having difficulties creating their own products. And so my goal here is to help simplify the process for you. So I've created many different types of products like prayer journals, especially now getting to the end of the year. These are things that are in high demand. We have financial planner, we have mental health bundle, just many different products that I have here. And if you look here, I have like mock-up. So this you can use them to make your A+ content. If you are listing any product on Etsy, you can use them as a mock-up for your products. So the main goal here is to help simplify the entire process for you. So you can go ahead and check the store. That's not our main focus for today. Our main focus is that I want to show you how you can start selling your ebooks here on Stan Store. So Stan Store was created for creators. So if you sell anything online or if you do anything online, Stan Store is a must-have. So let me walk you through. So I'll put a link down below for Stan Store. So if you click on that link and sign up, it's going to bring you to a place like this. So when you come here, so I'm here on my store, you can see that you have many different things here. You can start collecting emails. So I just told you that I sold $500 and something from my products that I just sent out during the weekend, right? The reason why I could make that money was because I had an email list. So any business that you are doing, one of the most important things that you should do for your business is to start collecting email. So you can give something for free, and then people are going to sign up. And now when those people sign up for that thing, is because these are people who are already interested in what you do. So when they sign up, and now when you have products, you can show them, you can advertise it to them. And so it's very important. So with Stan Store, you can start collecting your email list just like that. You can start your one-on-one coaching. So when you start doing something, for example, your ebook that you created, you must have created that ebook in something that you are already very skillful in, right? So now with that knowledge, you can start advertising yourself online, which I'm going to show you how to do. And as you start advertising yourself, people will be interested in your service. People will be interested to learn how you even did that. And so this is how you can now come here and book one-on-one coaching with them. Now here you can start a course. So now that same knowledge, you can put it into a step-by-step process. Assuming that in that ebook you were talking about your weight loss journey, you can now create a course showing people step-by-step how you actually did it, the kind of things that you ate, the kind of exercises that you did, whatever thing that you did to be able to have that transformation, to live from point A to point B, that will help another person to easily go through that journey too. And so you can upload your course here. You can do things like webinars, you can sell digital products. So an ebook is a digital product. People will buy it. They can buy it and print it for themselves, or they can buy it and use it as it is. For example, the mock-ups that I showed you is a digital product. When you buy that mock-up, you are going to use it on your products online. So you don't need a physical copy for that. Now you can also sell custom product. So what does this mean? If you are doing affiliate marketing, you can come here and then put the links of your affiliate products here. So you can see that this is one tool that every creator needs. When I just started my businesses online, I had to use many different platforms for different things. But being able to have a store like this that has everything that you need as a creator in one place is a complete no-brainer. Right here we have a membership. So membership, let me just show you the membership that I have created for us. So when you create a membership, it's going to look something like this. This is a membership that I have created on this platform, and now these are different resources. And so if I click here on the resources, you are going to see these are things that I'm talking about, the things that we are going to be doing in the membership. And these are different resources that when you come in, immediately you sign up, you'll be able to have access to all these resources. So since it's an ebook, we are going to come here to digital product, and then it's going to bring you here. So you just upload a thumbnail. So if you use this, it's going to just be a button. I like to use this one. And now I'm going to come here and upload a thumbnail. I already did a thumbnail. So the thumbnail is supposed to be 400 by 400. You are just going to go to Canva, and then you are going to upload a thumbnail. I just made this thumbnail. It's a book that I'm going to be publishing soon, Kingdom Coin. Watch out for that book. So I'm just going to upload it just like this. And now right here, you are going to put the title of your product. So you put your subtitle. I have something like Secret to Money Moves. Now you go ahead, you can put something here like buy now or download now. So for example, you see, because it has download now, you are going to see it here. I like to put purchase now. So when you are done with that, you come to this other part that says checkout here. So, and as you upload your book, you are going to see it here, how it's looking. So now let's come here to check out. Now we have another opportunity to put something here. So I already did something too, and I'm just going to upload it here. So when you look here, you will see the exact size that they want you to put. So you just go to Canva and put that size there and then create it. So I'm just going to come here, upload. So this is what I made. It's just the same thing for Kingdom Coin that I just put together like that to make it easier for us. And now I'm just going to upload it. So you can see now, see how you can now see the book right here. So instead of this place that says template, you just come here and then put your title here. So I'm just going to go ahead, put my title here again, Kingdom Coin. You are going to put the description of your book right here. So this button, you can see this is it right here. It's telling you get my guide now. You can put anything that you want. You can put purchase the book now, you know, whatever thing that you want. And then here you just have this call to action. So now we come down here to price, whatever price that you want to put for your book. Let's say you want to put $10.99. You put $10.99. And the amazing thing is that when you sell your books here, you don't have all those cuts that you have on different platforms. Here it's just going to be a transaction fee, so it's not going to be something much. So if you sell like $25, they are going to take $1 something. And then to even make it more attractive, you can come here and put a discount right here. So if you want to put a discount, let's say you put a $10 here, let's say $10.99, you put $25 here, and let's say we even put $9.99. So you can put a discount like that, and now that's how your book looks. So you scroll down, this is where you are going to upload your file. So you just go ahead, go and upload a file of your book. I'm just going to upload this. This is not actually my file. So you just go ahead and upload like this. Another thing that you can do, you can come here to option. So you have many different things. If people have reviewed your product, you can actually add the reviews here, just like this. And then you can scroll down, email flow. Now you can decide to add an email flow. So when they buy this book, what will happen next? So for example, if you had your course, you can now make an email flow in a way that after they buy this book, maybe 5 days after, you can email them, ask them, how was the book? Is there something special that you need help with or something? And now after that, maybe 5 days after again, you can send them an automatic email that you've already set up to now tell them about your course. And so that's how email marketing works. If anybody wants to be an affiliate for this book that you are selling, you can come here and then you can create an affiliate link for them. And then so these are different things. If you want promotional video, you can put a video here to talk about your product, so that when people come here, they are going to watch that video and they'll be able to see more about your product. So when you are done with all of that, you just come here and you click publish page. So this is how it looks. When somebody click on it, this is what they are going to see. And so they are going to come here, put in their card information, and then like the way I have set up my payment information, you can pay with either of this method. So I just use Stripe, or you can pay with PayPal, and so they'll be able to easily click and pay and buy your product. So now that you've known how to upload your ebook to StanStore, the next thing is, how are you going to actually market this book? So this is going to be a step-by-step process, and I'll keep showing you different videos how to go through this process. So if you've not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. And to all my overcomers, I'm always so happy to see you coming back over and over and watching the videos, commenting, subscribing. And just love you so much. So now the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to create a flip book like this with your ebook that you've already designed. So you can create a flip book like this, And so there are so many things that goes along this ebook. And so when you create this ebook, you can put it online, and it's going to be an easier way for you to be able to sell your ebook. So in the subsequent video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a flipbook just like this. So overcomers, I'm going to see you in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed yet, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. And to let me know that you watched this video up to the end, I want you to just write in the description box that flipbook, and I'll know that you watched this video up to this end. So if you have any question, and I'm going to put my stand store down below, check it out. And I also have a link down below for you to sign up. So you can sign up completely for free. The first 14 days are completely free. Sign up, try it out, and overcomers, I wish you all the best, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon